Hey Dewdrops, welcome back to video 4 in our painting series of this pretty pink and green. So here is a quick video of me mixing up all our paints. Oh, it took so long. This paper we are going to make on a dirty tray. This is the results left over from our previous video, and there was just so much paint and it was really pretty. I thought I would just drop some paint down and see what we ended up with. It's good to really experiment with the water marbling tray sometimes. So that's what we're gonna do. And I get a lot of people that see the videos and just really love watching the paint getting dropped in. So this one is for you. You guys enjoy it. Okay, I feel like our paint is nice and thick, so we're gonna lay down our white sheet of paper and the paint is going to instantly absorb. Here's our board that just helps stabilize the paper when we pull it out. And what do you think? It's an instant print. There's all kinds of little detail in there. We have our big stones and small stones. I just really like doing marbling like this. We're gonna let it drip for a little bit, get rid of that excess size. And Dewdrops, I just hope you enjoy it. But wait, we're not done. Okay, so I get asked a lot how I clean my tray. This is it. Super easy cleanup. You take a piece of newspaper, lay it down flat so it comes into contact with all the paint, and then voila. Look, the paint stuck to the paper. There is a little bit of paint residue in our tray, but it's not a big deal.